space is small, but the job is big, most machines simply can't perform. But some machines are built differently. Only 900 millimeters wide, engineered to go where larger machines simply can't. Under the hood, reliable power from the Kubota D1105 diesel engine. Advanced hydraulics deliver smooth, precise control, even under demanding workloads. Vertical lift design delivers serious loading capability for trucks and containers. From digging and drilling to grading and material handling, one machine does it all. Featuring premium engineering, improv motors, TYPHON plunger pump, and precision joystick controls. Intuitive pilot controls make operations simple, precise, and efficient. Engineered for agility, the Stomp X1300 delivers powerful movement and control even in the tightest working environments. Compact size, serious capability. Every detail engineered for performance, reliability, and productivity. When the job demands more, the Stomp X1300 delivers.